Question number 11 observed here, students. If the work function of metal is 6.63 into 10 power minus 19, the maximum wavelength of photon required to remove photoelectron from the metal is dash nanometers. Photoelectric effect based. Actually, the metal is present here. On the metal surface, electron is present. So, certain frequency of light strikes on metal surface, ejection of electron takes place. That is the photoelectric effect. Ejected electron having the kinetic energy. Certain frequency between metal and valence electron, that means nucleus and valence electron frequency is there, that is threshold frequency, that is nu naught. So incident light frequency is more compared to threshold frequency, then ejection of electron takes place. This is in terms of frequency. In terms of wavelength, incident light wavelength is less compared to threshold wavelength, photoelectric effect is possible. So this is threshold frequency, threshold energy. Work function, this is nothing but work function. Work function formula is E is equal to H nu naught. Work function E is equal to H nu naught. So work function, actually what is the meaning of the work function? The minimum amount of energy is required for ejection of electron from the metal surface, that is called as work function, that is the energy, threshold energy, H nu naught. So H value how much? You know that. Frequency is nothing but Hc by lambda naught. Hc by lambda naught. Substitute the values here. H value is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. Velocity of the light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per seconds, that is second inverse, by lambda naught value. What is the lambda naught value? Asking lambda naught. So lambda naught asking E value is given, that is 6.63 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So lambda naught is equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 34. What are the units or cancellation here? Joules cancelled, seconds second inverse cancelled. So lambda naught here asking meters in terms of nanometers. Here the meters are present. First simplify this value. 6.626 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 meters by 6.63 into 10 power minus 19. So what is the cancellation here? 6.63 almost cancellation. How much is remaining? 3 into 10 power minus 34, 10 power 8, 10 power 19 meters is there. 1 meter is equal to 10 power 9 nanometers. So 3 into 10 power minus 34 into 10 power 8 to 19, 27 ni 9, 36 nanometers. How much is remaining? 3 into 10 square nanometers is remaining. Answer is 300 nanometers, students. Okay, students, for physical chemistry students, unit conversions are you need to memorize. You need to know what is the unit conversions, compulsory. So formula and unit conversions you have got the clarity, then physical chemistry is easy. Next, question number 12 observed here, students. The minimum energy that must be possessed by photons in order to produce the photoelectric effect with platinum metal. That minimum energy is nothing but energy required for ejection of electron. The same energy required for ejection of electron, that is the minimum energy. So here the minimum energy is equal to H nu naught, threshold energy simply. So this energy is asking, nu naught value is given, threshold frequency is given 1.3 into 10 power 15 second inverse. So H value is given 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 joule seconds. Threshold frequency value 1.3 into 10 power 15 second inverse is given. So what is the cancellation here? Seconds, second inverse cancelled. What is the remaining? 6.63 6 into 1.3 10 power minus 34 10 power 15. How much? 6.6 into 1.3 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So E is equal to. So what is the answer? Which answer is the best answer? 6.63 into 1.3 how much? Then simplify that. So easy questions, simple questions, students. This kind of questions definitely possible in the mains examination. Don't lose your marks. After some of the students, after seeing the problem, maybe it is the big problem, or maybe formula is not memorizing. That is the problems of some students. So simply first understand the question, and every physical chemistry chapter better to make the short notes of the formulas. That is very important, based on the PYQ questions based. This question which formula, this question which formula, which area. Understand and analyze like that, students. Here the next question, observe here, students. Question number 15. A metal surface is exposed to 500 nanometers of radiation. The threshold frequency of the metal for photoelectric current is, threshold frequency is given. The velocity of ejected electron. This question is based on the photoelectric effect. So what is the photoelectric formula? E is equal to incident light energy, threshold energy plus kinetic energy. This is photoelectric effect formula. So E is nothing but h nu, phi is nothing but h nu naught plus half mv square. So half mv square. So hc by lambda is equal to h nu naught plus half mv square. V is nothing but velocity. So what is asking here? The velocity of ejected electron. V is asking, this value is asking. So h value is given, c value is given, and wavelength also is given. Substitute all the values here. H get cancelled now. So h get cancelled both sides. H is cancelled. What is remaining here? C is remaining. Velocity of the light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per seconds. Wavelength value how much is given? 500 nanometers is given. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meters is equal to incident threshold frequency, metal frequency, how much is given? 4.3 into 10 power 14 hertz. 1 hertz is equal to 1 second inverse. 1 hertz is equal to 1 second inverse. Unit conversions are very important, students. Don't forget the unit conversions. Plus half into mass of the electron. Ejection of electron takes place. That electron mass 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Mass of the electron into V square. Asking the V value. So simplify all these values. After simplifying all these values, V value we are getting 5 into 10 power 5 meter per second, students. Meter per seconds. So photoelectric effect formula value V is asking. I am not giving the solution. Simplify these values, then we are getting the V value, this value. So answer is here 5.